All right, well, here they are. Got them mounted up. These are 18s, where the other ones I had were 19s. So I'll have a little more tire. A little more tire than I had before. So with the white faces and the polished lips, the light really reflects off it. Very nice. I think I'll go get the inner barrels polished up. Right now those are not polished. I'll give you an idea of what it looks like on the other side. Comparative. So I like them a lot. I really saw these things literally the day I bought the car. They were chilling on eBay, and they've been sitting there for a year. So at the time I didn't know what size wheels I needed. So when I went up to Ice Cream's Wheels and Tires, we looked at the car, and we got really lucky on the fitment, because the vehicle wasn't lowered at the time I bought those wheels. And so the vehicle wasn't lowered at the time I bought those wheels. I changed the color here. For whatever reason, I can't record and use my app at the same time. But I think these look sick on here now. So these literally are pretty much the same sizes. Fronts are a little bit different. I gotta figure out if I need to use a spacer or not. It's really close in the front. I'm afraid when I set it down it's going to hit the strut. So I'd like to not use the spacer. We definitely have to get some bigger, some longer lug nuts. These bad boys used to stick out. Now they're those are what the front used to look like, and these are just gone. Like, so I have to get some longer ones. All right, I'll go and change the color again here in a minute. Hold on. So change color one more time. So I think they look good. I changed the Zauber emblem to be a rose gold. Kind of matches the gold nuts that they used. So overall, excellent shape. I can rock the wheels how they look right now, and it wouldn't, just look great. Eventually I'd like to take them off and get them repowder coated. Maybe I don't know. I like the white now that I see it. Josh Neppa might fall in love with these wheels. He's been bugging me to get white wheels for a long time. So I'm gonna go and change color one more time. Actually, I'm gonna do my flashing colors. Let's see what's up with that.